Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, thank you so much for joining me. Today we are headed to another Spirit Halloween. This one's in Solon, Ohio. It's the third that I've gotten to visit this year. If you are new here, don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I can't wait to take you in with me. As far as buildings at House Spirit Halloweens go, this one looks super nice. I cannot wait to see what's inside. So let's head in together now. I am really impressed with the Friday the 13th selection they have going on here. And now we're on to Halloween. And of course, gotta have Chucky at a Spirit Halloween. This was my least favorite animatronic when Spirit stores first opened, but each store we go to, it grows on me a little bit. I have not seen these costumes out at other stores, and they are just gorgeous. This store's lingerie as Halloween costume selection is a little smaller than most, but they do have tons of pantyhose.
Would you like to leave a message? I'll see that she gets it.
This spirit location is just huge. I feel like we've been in here about 15 minutes at this point, and there's still so much to see. I am loving all these masks. There are some that I don't think I've seen yet for the year. We are almost done here, but I have to look at the kids' costumes. Oh, Bluey for a baby. That is so cute. I can't even. That is so cute. I hope you enjoyed coming along to Spirit with me. That store was so nice. I saw a lot that I hadn't seen before, and they had a lot of animatronics up, and they also had a lot for sale. So if you want to look at some animatronics, definitely check out the Solon, Ohio store. If you're new here, don't forget to hit subscribe, because I do hope to visit at least 2 more stores, but hopefully more than that. We are also going to Cedar Point Halloween weekend, and I'm going to film that. So lots of fun, spooky stuff ahead. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you later.